In this video, we are going to continue our lead magnet creation, and every lead magnet needs to have calls to action. What should the person do next? And we want that next thing to be one of two things with Pam. We want them to book a call. But if they do not book a call, we want them to at least follow her on LinkedIn, where she is active on social media. So we're going to dive right into ChatGPT and ask it to create several uh, calls to action that we can add on each page of this lead magnet. So we're going to say, please create a few short but urgent calls to action for to be placed throughout this lead magnet. The number one goal is to ask them to book a call with Pam. The number two goal is to get them to connect with her on LinkedIn. Okay, and so when I hit enter here, let's scroll down. So I don't like that they're written in third person. I think they should be written in first person. So now we've got a variety of calls to action that we can sprinkle throughout our ebook, which is going to help encourage them to take action. You're going to want to have at least, definitely book a call if you're a coach or somebody who wants to work one-on-one with clients. Should definitely be your number one call to action. And then having a secondary one, if they're not ready to book a call, where can they continue to have more contact with you? Most people need 7 touch points before they're ready to book a call. So we want to have that secondary call to action to allow them to learn more about you, interact with you. If this is a Facebook group, if this is LinkedIn, wherever you interact with people, it has to fit you and your business and your clients. So you know that best. So making sure you have both of those opportunities is really great. All right, stay tuned. We're going to start putting this all together, but in the next video, we're going to create a bio for Pam to help people understand her and her heart and move forward.